Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple chicken nuggets. First, let's gather all our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, along with your breading essentials like flour, breadcrumbs, and a couple of eggs. Don't forget your favorite seasonings, such as salt, pepper, and garlic powder, plus some cooking oil for frying. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our chicken. Take your boneless, skinless chicken breasts and cut them into bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1 inch each. Uniform pieces will help them cook evenly. Next, place the chicken in a bowl and season generously with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Toss everything together until every piece is nicely coated. This step is crucial for flavor, so don't rush it. It's time to bread our nuggets for that perfect crispy texture. Set up a simple 3-station assembly line, 1 bowl with 1 cup of flour, another with 2 beaten eggs for an egg wash, and a third with 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Dip each chicken piece first in the flour, shaking off any excess, then into the egg wash, and finally into the breadcrumbs. Press the breadcrumbs firmly to ensure a complete and even coating. Finally, let's cook these delicious nuggets. Heat about 2 inches of cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the breaded chicken pieces into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.